Level 2, we enter level 2 via core 1, which exits by the training room and meeting rooms. Meeting rooms are the same as 1, 2 and 3 and in a very similar condition. Fan coil units, service runs and walls all to be closed ahead of glazing and taping and jointing to conclude. The training room, again, all containment has been installed. Walls are now being closed and the installation of fan coil units and high level services is currently underway. We should have later in the week the installation of the folding wall framework, which is due in Thursday and Friday this week. As you exit onto the rear open plan areas, you can see pod posts have been installed, service runs at high level have been installed, as there's cable runs, and the rear of the wall to the town hall area has had all containment installed and is now currently being closed. As you go into the town hall area, all the meeting rooms have now been closed up, as has the installation of first fix services, pipe runs and fan coil units, all ready to have the bulkheads installed and glazing next week. Town hall area, again, high level services walls have been taped and jointed, high level services first fix is concluding, as is the last of the containment units at high level. Second floor T-point is due for delivery this week and the area will be made clear for it. Second floor comms room, we are installing the cassette unit and lighting and completing the high level services. Slave floor will be replaced on completion. Data cabling low level is now complete and it's now being pulled to the underfloor area, ready for the installation of the cabinets. As you exit, high level works, services continuing. New fan coil units and pipework have all been installed, ready for final connections. Walls have all been closed, ready for taping and jointing. And the last two walls and the final meeting room, again, is now currently being closed up, ready again for taping and jointing. As we exit to the fire exit corridor, you can see again the floors have been completed, the walls are currently being closed, and then we're back into our own site setup area. We'll finally just take you to the meeting room, which holds our samples and benchmarks. On the way is our proposed garden path. We're going to reset this up with some garden foliage. In the meeting room we have our sample boards, which are presenting all the finishes that we're proposing to use throughout the project. Project layout, acoustic baffle, program, and finally wall finishes.